Students, already I have taught you about nouns and its kinds. Today we shall discuss about number, singular and plural of nouns. So, formation of plural. Usually we make plural by using S as boy. We use yes and make boys. Girl, we use S and make girls. But there are other rules also of making from singular to plural. So first of all, nouns ending in S, SH, CH or X means the nouns that ends with these alphabets, that ends with S or with these two alphabets SH or these two alphabets CH or this alphabet X form the plural by adding ES. We use ES in making plural as there is the word bus ends with yes. Okay, so we have to change into plural using ES, buses. Okay, as class ending with yes, so we have to use ES to make it plural classes, and here SH. So if ending with SH as bus, okay, so we use ES to make it plural. Clear to you? CH as branch ending with CH, so we use ES to make it plural, branches, church, churches, etc. Okay, if ending with X, then we also use ES to make it plural as box ending with X, so we have to use ES to make it plural. Now let us come to the next rule of making plural. So most nouns ending in O also form the plural by adding ES to the singular. So most of the nouns that the last alphabet of those nouns are O. Okay? If the last alphabet of those nouns are O, then we use ES. Not all the nouns, most of the nouns. Okay? There are exceptions also. As potato. So how to make plural of potato? We have to use ES. Potatoes. So ES you use to make plural. Tomato. So to make its plural, we have to use what? ES. Okay. So if ends with O, then we use ES. Okay. Potato, tomato, etc. Next rule. Most nouns ending in F or FE form their plural by changing F or FE into B and adding ES. Ending in F, the noun ends with F or FE. Last alphabets are F or FE. Form their plural by what? By changing F or FE into B. This F or FE changed into V and adding ES, and then we use ES. So how? As wife ending with FE. So how to change? FE will be changed into F will be changed into V. Wife and use ES. Okay? As life. So how to change? You have to remove this F and use es, lives. Okay, leaf. So you remove this f, leabes, use es with b. Here with b es, with b es. So if the word ends with f or fe, b remove f and use the word b, and then b use es. So bes is used to make plural. Okay. Next rule: a few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel. Inside vowels are changed. Okay, as tooth, singular, and how to make its plural? Yes, inside vowel is changed, o and o, double o is here. So it will be changed into ee. So plural of tooth will become teeth. Okay, as foot, so inside vowels will be changed, it will become feet. As louse, inside vowel ou. Okay, so it will become lice. Mouse, so will be changed into mice. Inside vowels are changed. Next rule: some nouns have singular and plural alike. They are the same. Singular and plural is same, not changed. As sheep. What is the plural of sheep? Same, without any change. Okay. In the same way, deer. So it will be deer, no change. Will be same. As news. So plural of news will be news, no change. Okay. As Salman, so plural of Salman is Salman, always same. But in case of fish, if variety of fish is there, then it will be changed fishes. Otherwise, plural of fish is fish. Now, one more rule of this video: nouns ending in y preceded by consonant form their plural by changing y into I and adding es. So y is changed into I if last alphabet is y, as lady. Okay, the last alphabet is y, so this y is removed and I is used, and then we use es. Okay, baby. So in baby, the last alphabet is y, so this y is removed and es is used. We shall discuss some more rules of making from singular to plural in next video. Thank you.